for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2011 F-150 XLT in Oxford white with grey cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 5-liter V8 engine, it's a 4x4, and it also has an XTR package, meaning your grille, bumpers, and handles are all chrome. It's also lifted. This is really easy to get into. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with manual lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. You also have power pedals. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, as well as sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, as well as a menu that we can toggle through. And we'll just get in there. Gauge mode, trip A/B, fuel economy, truck apps, settings, information, and these all have submenus. Your automatic select shifter has tow haul, and when we press the end, you'll see it appear to the right of the odometer reading and then out again. Up above in the center, you have a little bit of a cubby, and you're seeing your display there with AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio. As well, you have CD. There's your traction control and hazard lights, and there's the CD player. And then you have the different choices for your menu, volume, and your auxiliary button there for your auxiliary input. As well, you have front defrost, heated side view mirrors, AC and max AC. There's your fan and climate control. There's a 12 volt, there's the auxiliary line in, and USB. And there's a little cubby down below. In the center, you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders, and as well more storage. And then you can just flip this right up, you get an extra seat, and then you can open that up, more storage underneath, and you can slide out some cup holders. Off to the side is a little bin and a 12 volt. You also have a glove compartment. Up above, you have an auto dimming rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls, and you don't have one but 2 sunglass holders. And in the body on the passenger side, you have a grab handle, making it easier to get in. Toyota tires, 20-inch wheels, lift kit, chrome and magnetic cab step, chrome door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. You also have backup sensors on your bumper, 4- and 7-pin connector, and a trailer hitch. When we open up the tailgate, you're going to notice inside it's nicely lined. There's tie downs in all 4 corners. And then when you're ready, you can just close the tailgate up, lock everything up, and walk away. Or you can jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have sitting for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position. And then to bring it down, simply pull the clip, and down it goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And they've put an all-weather mat runner underneath here. You also have extra carpeted mats. On the back of the seat, there's slim pockets for extra storage, and in the center, a little bin with a 12 volt. In the body, there's grab handles up above, hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a window. Chrome bumper, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.